Hello everyone, welcome back to Korean Wellness Center. My name is Namu. Today I'm going to teach you a way how to remember Korean alphabet easily. So you have to memorize the Korean alphabet by looking at the English alphabet. So when you see the English alphabet, you will remember what it looks like in Korean. Okay. Today we will start with a few alphabets. I will start with the English version, and then we can go to the Korean version. So when you see the English alphabet on your left, then on your right is the Korean alphabet, so you can remember them when you see, and then you can match them. Okay, let's get started if you want to learn Korean. So the first one, in English we have a, and then in Korean this is also a. Okay, so but it just the sound is this is also a. It makes a sound. Okay, this is a, but in Korean it looks like this. Okay, Korean, this alphabet makes the same sound as a. So a in English looks like this, in Korean it looks like this. And then the next one is b. B in Korean it looks like this. Okay, b, b, b. Okay, that also makes b sound. And then the next one is C. C, we have a few different alphabets that make the same sound in Korean. So if you remember one of them, it's good. So it looks like one of this S, and then sh, and then sh. Okay, it's also make a sound like S. This also makes sound like it can be sound like k or s, depending on how you use it. So if it's a k sound, this is the letter that look like k sound. It's the opposite. In Korean, this is make k sound, but in the s sound, this looks like s, sh. Okay, and then the next one we have d. D make d sound, and then in Korean the d alphabet is look like number 3. Number 3 in Korean makes the d sound. D, d. And then the next few one we can get rid of this, and then d, e, and then the next one we will have e, f, g, and then h. So the e sound also look like this. Okay, it's just the way it make e sound. This also make e sound. And then for f, in Korean we don't have the f alphabet, so just remember that. And then the next one we have g. G, g sound. It's the first alphabet. It looks like m. M sounds like g in English. So g is gado is g. So when you see G, you need to remember the M, the big M in Korean. And then for H, this is the one makes the H sound. H, this letter sounds like H. In Korean, this is he, ha. It makes her sound. In English, it's H. So if you remember this, then it would be easier for you to learn Korean alphabet and how to make sound. In the next few videos, I will also show you how to combine consonants from vowels. We have toners, and then we have like a consonant in Korean too. So zeros, okay, there is no sound F. There is no alphabet in Korean, okay, so we have to remember that. So we have E. This is the alphabet in Korean that make E sound. And then F, no alphabet in F. G, this is the M, make G, G sound G. And then H, we have ha, it makes her sound. So if you remember this, it will be easier. So tune in for the next few videos if you want to learn more Korean alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.